no, I vacuumed the baby!
Welcome to Vacuuming with the Stars, the sucky show you love to watch. Tonight, our vacuuming star Edwin will have double trouble in his arms. A pair of twin toddlers. Rules are simple. Vacuum floor and place toys in basket. Only one baby on the floor at a time. Points deducted for toys vacuumed, toddlers on the floor, vacuum pause, toys left on floor, dropped baby, baby crying, contestant tripling, dust collecting into dust rabbits. All right, contestant, vacuum away.
Ouch! Oops!
Oh no, Edwin, you got a negative 57, an all-time low. Come back next week for vacuuming on a treadmill. Not you, Edwin.
Download Toca Life World for free today.